What if I told you that somewhere out there, on a planet orbiting a distant star, sunsets paint the sky not with orange and red, but with emerald green, electric violet, or even glowing black? Imagine watching twin suns melt into a turquoise horizon, or seeing the entire sky shimmer in liquid gold before fading into the void. Today, we're taking you on an interstellar journey to witness sunsets from different alien worlds across the universe. And trust me, Earth's sunsets will never feel the same again. Hey everyone, welcome back to What If, where we explore the most mind-bending questions in science and space. If you love the strange and the cosmic, make sure to subscribe, because today, we're leaving Earth's atmosphere behind and diving into the alien skies of distant worlds to see how sunsets might actually look beyond our solar system. Ready? Buckle up. This is going to be a trip across light years. Before we jump to alien worlds, let's start where we are. On Earth, sunsets look orange and red because our atmosphere scatters blue light from the sun, a process called Rayleigh scattering. As sunlight passes through more air during sunset, the blue wavelengths scatter away, leaving the longer red and orange ones to dominate. It's beautiful, but it's also completely ordinary, at least by cosmic standards. Change the atmosphere, the size of the star, or even the chemistry of the air, and you'll see something that could look completely alien. Let's start close to home, with Mars. If you stood on the red planet during sunset, you wouldn't see fiery orange skies. You'd see something completely flipped. A blue sunset. That's right. Mars' thin, dusty atmosphere scatters red light instead of blue, so the horizon glows in soft azure tones while the rest of the sky remains butterscotch red. NASA's rovers have actually recorded this, a real blue twilight descending over the Martian desert. It's haunting, calm, and strangely melancholic, like watching the universe breathe in reverse. Now, imagine standing on Venus. If you somehow survive the 460-degree heat and the crushing 90 atmospheres of pressure, here, sunlight filters through thick layers of sulfuric acid clouds. The result? A dim orange haze, like standing inside an eternal furnace. Sunsets on Venus aren't a peaceful sight. They're claustrophobic. The sun slowly dims into a faint red glow, swallowed by poisonous fog. The sky might even glow faintly yellow like molten metal behind a veil of smoke. It's less of a sunset and more of a warning that not every world was made for beauty. Let's move beyond the inner planets to Titan, Saturn's mysterious moon. Titan has a thick, nitrogen-rich atmosphere filled with methane haze. It scatters sunlight into deep orange-gold tones. As the sun sinks behind Saturn's distant ringed horizon, Titan's sky glows like a perpetual sunrise, soft, golden, and otherworldly. If you were standing there, you might barely see the sun, just a dim circle in a sea of orange fog. It's the kind of sunset that feels eternal, quiet, dreamy, and utterly alien. Astronomers think Titan's atmosphere might resemble early Earth's, so watching its sunset could be like looking back in time, billions of years before we existed. Now we go beyond our solar system. Meet Kepler 16b, a planet with two suns. Yes, a real-life Tatooine from Star Wars. Here, sunsets come twice. Two glowing orbs dipping below the horizon, painting the sky in fiery golds and deep purples. Depending on where the planet is in its orbit, the suns could set together or one after the other, creating a dance of light and shadow across the alien sky. Imagine standing there, watching the sky shift colors in double layers, with two sets of shadows stretching in opposite directions. That's not fiction. That's astrophysics. Our next stop is HD 189733b, a gas giant 63 light-years away. From a distance, this planet looks stunning, a deep cobalt blue world. But don't be fooled by the color. Its skies are made of glass particles, and the winds blow at 8,000 km/h. Here, sunsets would look brilliant sapphire, fading to black as molten glass shards scatter the blue light. The sun might appear as a pale, trembling disk through a hurricane of glowing dust. It's mesmerizing and terrifying, beauty born from chaos. Next, let's visit a planet orbiting a red dwarf star, like Gliese 581 Dre. Red dwarfs are smaller and cooler than our sun, so their light glows a deep crimson. If you lived here, the sky might never turn blue at all. Instead, it would shimmer in shades of maroon, copper, and rose. Sunsets would be slow, the dim red light fading into purple twilight, with long shadows stretching endlessly. It might feel peaceful, almost romantic, but it would also mean constant danger. Red dwarfs often flare violently, so your peaceful sunset could suddenly explode into radiation. Now for one of the strangest worlds ever discovered, WASP 76b. This planet is so close to its star that it's tidally locked. One side always faces the light, the other stays in eternal night. Temperatures on the day side reach over 2,400 degrees Celsius, hot enough to vaporize iron. As the sun sets on WASP 76b, iron vapor condenses into molten droplets that literally rain from the sky. Imagine a sunset that glows yellow-white, and as the light fades, metallic rain starts to fall, silver streaks slicing through golden haze. It's beautiful and deadly. A sunset made of liquid metal. Finally, let's visit TRAPPIST-1e, one of the most Earth-like exoplanets we've found so far. Orbiting a cool red dwarf, its sunsets might bathe the world in rose and violet hues with a dim but long-lasting twilight. If there's an atmosphere similar to ours, you'd see soft gradients of pink fading into indigo, and perhaps, if there's water or vegetation, reflections turning the landscape into a mirror of alien serenity. It's the kind of sunset that makes you wonder. Could someone be standing there right now, watching their star fade, thinking the same about us? Across the universe, every sunset tells a story of chemistry, of distance, of time. From blue twilights on Mars to molten metal skies on WASP 76b, each world reminds us that beauty doesn't belong to Earth alone. Our universe is vast, and somewhere out there, another sky is glowing in colors we can't even imagine. So next time you watch the sun dip below the horizon, take a moment, because while it feels ordinary here, it's part of a cosmic masterpiece, one that stretches light years wide. Thanks for watching, explorers. If this trip across alien skies blew your mind, hit the like button and subscribe for more what-if journeys through time, space, and imagination. Until next time, keep looking up, because the next sunset might just come from another world.